How to receive YouTube Premium 3 months plans. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can receive the YouTube Premium 3 months plan by following some steps. So before following those steps, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe option. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first thing first, you need to open your YouTube. After opening your YouTube, you will be able to see this kind of interface. So here on your profile, you need to go to your profile. You can see this profile option at the bottom right. Just tap on that profile option and tap on settings. After that, scroll down a bit, and on the middle you see this option called purchases and memberships. Just tap on it. After tapping on it, tap on this learn more option. So here you get options, bunch of options of YouTube Premium plans that you can buy. So here you see the very first option, like try 1 month for $0. So it means here you can only use 1 month free trial for $0. And when you scroll down a bit, you can get other options like for individual, for family, for student, and etc. So in order to receive more than 1 month, you need to upgrade to YouTube Premium plans. You need to upgrade to Plus upgrade plans. There you may be able to see 3 months options and 6 months option as well for free. Just purchase the plans or redeem the plans and you will be able to enjoy a YouTube Premium membership for about 3 months or more than that month. So therefore, in this method, you can purchase or redeem the YouTube 3 months premium plans for free. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.